don't like fornication, me don't like bad religion. Me, I'm a loyal subject, you wasn't a bad decision. You and your family blessed I was when we were a team. Then you went to college, no scholarship to support your fees. Having financial crisis and Christ is your only hope. But why would you lie to me and tell me that you come home? Now I feel like a bad person. I stayed in dim lights, I didn't wanna hurt you. So I got lonely, I needed someone to hold me. It's cold outside and the only person I know is you. But you were distant in that instant, I needed your touch. My patience is dripping in blood, I need assistance. And your little sister think we're still kicking it. I can't keep up with the shit I hear, but I'm not listening. The reason is I don't deserve you. Now you got a new girlfriend and it hurts too. I love you. You can't deny my wish. You say you die without me. You're taking more than I'll give. You faked it all, you heartless. Now you blame it all on distance. 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 We don't like going places, we don't like reminiscing about my exes. I threw your past without your permission. But it's impossible, a part of you's an oracle. Doctors knew I was sick and I watched your pics, I felt horrible. Unsolvable depression, I can't give you a second to black out of my memories without asking you questions like, do you want me back? How did I do you in bed? How can I repay you back for the things I inflicted then? You told me that you love me, no. You told me everything was fine. You told me that you want me back, and I bet that's a fucking lie. Display pictures on status is telling me straight to stay back. Still got your t-shirt and I'm sure you wouldn't wanna take that. Cause that's the only piece of you I got. Cause that's the only piece that remind me of peace and you alive. You were very playful, it's painful how we departed. And I pray you get whatever you wanted and make it in college. You can't deny my wish. You say you die without me. You're taking more than I'll give. You faked it all, you heartless. Now you blame it all on distance. Now you blame it all on distance. Now you blame it all on distance. Now you blame it all on distance.